And then you take another piece, a different color, and you leave a little teeny margin. Okay? Isn't that cool? But that doesn't look like this, does it? What do you think I need to do to this? Jessica? No? I don't. It's amazing. It's amazing that I don't need to put more. Remember I told you this is called a vocabulary foldable. Remember? Angel, what do I need to do?
Fold it in half.
I have to fold it, kind of in half. I fold it so that this color gets a friend next to it.
Oh,
See
cool,
what just
cool.
happened?
Oh, cool.
So I fold it. Look at how easy this is.
It looks like a book.
I fold. Thank you. It's supposed to look like a book. I just fold it. I staple it. The hardest thing is going to be having functional staplers for this class. Okay? And guess what? Now this is a little smaller than the one you're going to work with, but you have a little flip book. So you can flip up this flap, flip up this flap. Now the two flaps in the middle are the same color, okay? And this flap